What's going on, guys? It's Ben here from Lippis TV, and it's been a while since we've actually uploaded a video to this channel. We're going to be doing a prank on Lily. So, basically, Lily ordered a squishy. If you don't know what that is, it's just like a dumb little foam toy squishy. So, and what we're going to do is we're going to prank her saying, oh, your squishy's here, your squishy's here. And then we're going to put a fake box in, so we're going to put it, and then we're going to spray her with a bunch of water when she opens the box. It's going to be a funny prank. Alrighty, guys, we're about to do the prank. We have the little envelope set up here.
Okay, here's a little package. I'm just going to cover up my information.
So it's really cool. We think it's going to work. I'm actually just going to sit here every time I'm playing a game on my phone.
This is our other camera. It's going to be right out here, and this is where you're going to see Lily opening the package and getting sprayed by the hose. So, yeah.
Okay, guys, so for the first clip, I'm just going to be sitting like right here on this couch, looking up, up there, where hopefully we can get Lily to go across. And so I'm gonna just be like pretending to play on my phone.
Lily! What? Your squishy came. What? Your squishy came. Are you sure? It must be something else because my squishy's not supposed to come until Friday. No, seriously, it says squishy on it. Really? Yeah. Oh my gosh, wait, don't open it again. Oh my god.
She's coming. Full blast.
Here.
Yes.
I'm so excited.
What is it?
What does it say?
You got friends! You got friends! You got friends! Guys, what the heck?
Ben is still. Oh! That's me!
Off!
I hate you, Ben!
Take it off! No, it's not! It's like completely off.
Oh, is that like. Jacob, turn it off! I hate you guys! That was.
No.
Jakey, please turn it off! I'm turning it off! You just turned it on further! Oh my god, turn it the other way! Jakey, turn it the other way! Seriously! Turn off the hose! Turn off the hose! We're flooding the yard! No, you turned it on more!
No, it's off.
We got a wild hose! We need help, we need help. Did it stop? Oh my god.
Is it still on?
The yard is
Flooding.
What have we done?
Prank gone wrong. Backyard is being flooded. The hose won't turn off.
Okay, so that was our attempt of pranking Lily. Besides for the fact that it totally went wrong with the hose in the end, I think it went pretty well. Lily got totally wrecked. So, yeah, thanks for watching Lippis TV. Bye!